For wireless transmissions, we use the Sentinel, designed by Tech Electronics. The Sentinel can transmit network cables, cameras, and analog cameras many miles away. They're spec'd out to do up to 30 miles per system. The Sentinel is designed to make transmitting IP cameras or analog cameras long distances very easy. We can bridge over 20 megabits per second of network speed between transmitters and receivers on the long distance, which includes up to 30 miles. Within 300 feet, we can increase it to over 54 megabits per second. The Sentinel is a low voltage solution. It uses power over Ethernet to power the transmitters and receivers, which means you can use a DC 12-volt transformer with about 1 amp to start up and 0.8 amps to continue transmission. The Sentinel's software makes it very easy to transmit the network. By going through, you can go ahead and adjust everything within the Sentinel, whether it's the frequency. If you want to go from the 5.805 to the 5.863, you can do that. Through the software, you can access it by using the Internet Explorer. Just type in the IP address of either the transmitter or the receiver. It'll give you a system update as to how strong your signal strength is. You can also configure your different output strength and what your data rate is. For transmitting analog cameras, you can use additional encoders and decoders through the Sentinel. As you can tell, you just connect the cameras, including the pan tilt zoom, to your encoder or your video server. Connect those encoders to a switch, and then the one switch to the Sentinel. On the reverse side, the Sentinel will come out to another switch, and then to the decoders, and to your DVR and controller keyboard. The Sentinel can also be used to repeat the signal. So if there's a mountain you need to go over or a building you need to go around, by setting up transmitters and receivers and connecting a second set, we can essentially bounce the signal. The transmitter 1 will go to receiver 1. Transmitter 2 will connect directly to transmitter 1 and then transmit its signal to receiver 2, which will then return the signal back to the network. Okay. The Sentinel has several different benefits. They come in two different sizes. We have a Sentinel 300 for the under a mile application. We have the Sentinel 700, which is typically designed for up to 5 miles away. They're very easy to use. They're weatherproof. They're easy to mount outside. They both support the AES and WEP 256-bit encryption. And they also have a repeater mode available for for transmitting over obstacles, and also we can do a multi-point solution for multiple transmitters back to one receiver. For more information on how the Sentinel can work with your surveillance solution, please contact Global Surveillance System at 703-222-4666. You can also email us at sales@gssdvr.com.